What's your name, Hannah?
What's my name?
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel again. Filipino-British couple, Emma and Jay. And kumusta kayo dyan? So ngayong araw pala na to, katatapos ko lang maligo. Basang-basa pa yung buko kasi nga pupunta kami ngayon sa sa friend ni Emma. Medyo malapit lang naman dito, mga 40 minutes or 45. Lalakarin lang siguro namin, depende mamaya kung ano yung decision ni boss. So ayun, nandun siya, nagre-ready na. Kasi nga allowed na kami dito makipagkita, makipag-meet sa friend namin. Ina-allow na ng government, hindi na sila masyadong mahigpit. So allowed na kami mag-barbecue, gathering with friends. Basta hindi lang lalagpas sa 6 na tao. So pupunta kami doon ngayon, magdala kami ng wine. And sila na bahala daw sa sa barbecue. Matikman ko rin mamaya yung barbecue ng mga British. Kaya tingnan natin mamaya, guys. So yun guys, papunta na kami ngayon doon. Nag-bus kami, tapos kailangan pa namin maglakad ng 5 to 10 minutes siguro. Okay guys, dito na kami sa bahay ng friend ni Emma. So papasok na kami ngayon. Hello guys.
Okay.
So this is the friend of my wife, Hannah. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is the boss. Hi boss.
What's up?
You alright?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Welcome to my kitchen, guys. I'm outside today. So say hello to this lovely bit of chicken we've got here.
So this is
you saying, oh god?
this is the British version barbecue, yeah?
Yeah, it's kind of like a British take on the jerk chicken. It looks a bit horrible at the minute
Look at
because it's
that.
not cooked. But
No, it's not. It's really good. It looks really good.
thank you very much. Smells really sweet,
Yeah.
really like seasoned, but yeah, it's going to be nice. And all the chicken juices get on there, ready for the sausages to go on. Lovely.
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 You can make it look like windows. And there's nothing stopping you like plugging in the mouse.
I just
Yeah, do it. Yeah, go.
But then what's the point in having a Mac if you're just going to do that radio stuff anyway?
Because they're very fast and they're very, very safe to use, very secure.
Yeah, that's where like Apple products so much as well. You're not getting hacked, nothing's going
No, that's it. They're very because they work backwards.
Yeah.
So they literally take everything in, scramble it, and chuck it back out again, so no one knows what you're
That's what
doing.
it is.
They've
I
got
never
one
knew
right
the reason
here.
why. I just knew that they were really secure.
It's really good, and they're just so quick. Nah, I don't care. This reminds me of Ibiza.
I've never been there.
Oh god, it's good. Ibiza's amazing. It's one place you've got to go.
You know what I want to do? I want to do the nightclub on the beach, like cruising
Dance, Hannah, dance.
outside.
See? Galing sumayaw ah. Dance.
Yeah, that's what I haven't done.
Perfect. Right, take that in for me. Cook these. Thank you very much.
So ayun, luto na siya guys.
I don't very much. Oh, but they, I was going to say, but they take
We have burger patty, chicken,
The end up, I know it's so not
burger
big, but
bun.
and I felt so careful to get this on.
If you bring the burger.
Right, let's go eat, everyone.
Kainan na. Say kainan na, Alex. Kainan na. Let's eat.
Oh, let's eat. What's it?
Yeah.
What's it?
Kainan na.
Kain na.
You say it's kain kaya.
Yeah,
na.
say kain tayo. Kain.
Kain.
Tayo.
Tayo.
Let's go.
Yes.
TV and we're filming a reality TV show and we're on a
Yeah.
camera that hangs around.
Si Mai kakain na, si Hana. Anna, can you say kain tayo?
Kain tayo.
Okay.
Was that good?
We're gonna eat, guys, now.
Sorry to have a breakfast.
Emma, say kain tayo as well.
Huh?
Breakfast for the sausages. Kain tayo.
We want to get a few more sauces in this house.
That's really hot, by the way. That's really hot.
I just kept taking a picture, but thank you.
Cheese. Alex, can you get the cheese out?
Yeah.
That's my cute.
That's
Masarap.
my cheesy cube.
Kain na kami, guys. Let's go.
Like what goes well with what?
Guys, kain tayo.
Yeah.
Ito yung ano, British chicken barbecue made by Alex, my friend.
You're entitled.
There he is. The
Hello.
chef.
Cheers.
Yan yung ano, nagluto ng ano, chicken barbecue. It's really good. Sarap pala ng ano, ng British barbecue nila, guys.
You want some more? Help yourself.
Go on.
I've got to wash my hands as well. They're a bit sticky.
Sarap ng ano, guys. British version barbecue. Parang sa atin lang din, pero para sa akin mas masarap yung sa atin talaga. I still have lemonade.
Okay. You want more alcohol?
Huh?
You want more alcohol?
No, maybe later on.
Okay.
Come here first.
Let me fill up the drinks. I'll come back.
Wala pa rin makatalo sa ano, guys, barbecue natin sa atin sa Pilipinas. Dahil gutom ako, masarap pa rin. Drinking session.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. So we're now drinking, guys, about what, I don't know what drink is this.
Absinthe. So it's a drink in Spain that all the artists used to drink to
Is
make
it?
them paint all weird random colours and Salvador Dali paintings. He painted all the paintings that he was drinking this.
Okay then,
So it's very strong.
let's try this, guys, and cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What? Stay. Stay. Come on in.
Good boy. Wow. Adorable cat.
It's really good. Seeing my friends. Had some really, really good food. Thank you, Alex. Got the drinks on. The sun's out. We're going to play some drinking games. So come watch. Okay. Alex gets to pick who he asks.
Right, you. I think.
In Italian.
Name 3 ingredients in my jerk sauce for my chicken.
Paprika.
Yeah?
Chili flakes.
Gone. 5 seconds is gone.
Shot.
I would love to be always mistake, so I want to try to be try. Name the at least 3 cruise line in the world.
Coastline.
Cruise line, like for example, I'm gonna give you Carnival like that. Carnival.
Oh,
cruise
yeah,
line.
yeah, okay.
Cruise
yeah,
line, cruise ship.
Okay. Oh, for ships.
Cruise ship line.
Not mates.
Company, not
Okay.
not a ship. Start.
Princess, P&O, Royal Caribbean.
Ah, you got it.
Is that it?
Yeah, you did it. You're hired.
Oh,
Jay,
good.
you've had your practice round. Okay. Name 3 things. Who's on it? Name 3 things that you can buy from Boots.
Paracetamol, penicillin.
Stop.
Hi guys, I'm here now to ask my friend Hannah to read these phrases first.
Cattle akong lubot.
You made us say I have an itchy ass.
I knew it would be something like that.
How do you know this?
What, is that actually how you say it?
Yeah, it's correct. You're reading it right.
Yes.
And then this one.
Bantai ka kay sira ulo ko.
What's that?
I don't know, I know I had the word crazy in there.
You need to be very careful because I'm crazy. That's how it is.
Oh my god, that's
This one.
so long. Naka kaka ka paga pa paga paga bag.
Nakakapagpagpa. Okay, this one.
Lunes martes miércoles jueves
Mina Kunis.
viernes.
Is that Neo Kunis?
Yeah. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's weekdays, yeah. It's crazy. This one.
Didn't I just do that?
Oh, this is finished, I think.
That's so long. Nakakalungot kot. Alex, mahal na mahal kita sobra.
Woohoo!
Baho kayo akong yutot.
What's that?
Something about smelly farts.
Yeah.
Salamat sa pag-subscribed sa akong amigo o amiga nga YouTube channel.
Woo! Well done!
Akusi Alex. What's that mean?
My name
I'm
is Alex.
My name
Oh,
is
okay,
Alex.
okay, that's fine. So, guapu aku. Aku.
You're reading it right.
Oh,
Yeah, it is.
no way, I'm a
Yeah.
natural.
But the accent
I was
is,
born in the wrong country.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Akong Mikina. Akong Gepa Mechianiko. What's that? Oh my god, that's so wrong.
Yeah.
Daku Yau Akong Loas. Leosas. So I'm going to ask you some English like slang and phrases.
And you have to guess what they mean.
Yeah, you have to guess what they mean. You have to kind of guess what the phrases mean. Right, so mush.
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 Say alright.
So, alright, mush.
You know this one, I do it to you.
How do you know this one?
It's like alright, blood.
Yeah.
Like a gangster.
I always
Like a
call
gangster
him mush
thing,
and,
yeah.
and
Okay.
blood.
So, spend a penny.
Spin the penny.
So you're gonna go spend a penny.
Uh,
So what do you think that means?
it means spend the money.
No.
No.
So yeah, one more guess.
I don't know.
It means go to the toilet.
Really?
So in
Oh my God.
in the olden days,
Yeah.
the toilets, like the
spend a
public
penny.
toilets, you had to put 1 penny in for the
Before?
door to open. Yeah, you had to pay to use the public toilet. So that's what spend a penny meant.
Oh.
So you say, I
okay.
used to have to go spend
Makes
a
sense
penny.
now.
Yeah.
Even in the Philippines, we used to pay money. Yeah.
So what's your currency?
Piso.
So you'd be like, I'm just gonna go spend a peso.
Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah.
What others are
What
there?
else?
You know what a quid is?
Yeah. That's
Quid.
That's pounds.
Do you know what it means if someone says something is the bee's knees?
That's a good one.
Yeah, the bee's knees. What's the bee's
It's the
knees?
bee's knees.
Can you make it a sentence?
This barbecue is the bee's knees.
This barbecue is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, well done.
How about it's the cat's pajamas.
Cat pajamas.
The cat's pajamas.
The cat's pajamas. It means.
It's quite an old saying, this one.
It means it's the cat has a pajamas.
It's one more guess. So this is the cat's pajamas.
This is ridiculous.
The opposite.
So, yeah, it's an old phrase that means something is like better than good. It's absolutely amazing. So the cat's pajamas is meant to be like something absolutely amazing.
We're a weird lot. Aren't we?
Yeah. What about, do you know what a fishwife is?
Fishwife.
Fishwife.
I haven't heard
Fishwife
of it.
is
Yeah, fishwife. A British fishwife.
British beautiful wife.
No.
Opposite.
Opposite.
British bad wife, yeah?
So it's so in the olden days, it's a woman who used to work in the fish markets, but she's like prone to shouting and being like have horrible manners. Yeah.
I've got one.
Like you old fishwife is a horrible saying.
What if I said to me, what would you say back? To me.
I know this.
To me.
To me.
For you.
Nearly.
Really? Yeah.
Almost.
To me.
To you.
To you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an old TV show. It'd be like, to me, to you. Like if
What
we're
about,
moving a sofa or a desk upstairs or anything
What
like
about
that.
apples and pears?
Apples and pears is, or it means fruits.
It's not that obvious. I'm gonna go up the apples and pears.
You gonna get what?
Gonna go up the apples and pears.
I don't know.
Stairs.
That's Cockney.
Ooh,
Cockney.
Means stairs.
that's real.
I know.
You have a lot of words. And
Or
What?
should we go out for a Ruby Murray?
I don't know what it is.
shall we go to Ruby Murray?
Should we go out for a Ruby Murray?
Is that a beer?
Shall we go out for fish and chips?
No, that's a good guess. That's a good guess.
Shall we go out for roast dinner?
No.
Shall we go out for
That's what rhymes with Murray.
exercise?
Oh,
curry.
Curry, yeah.
Yeah,
I never
should
heard
go
of
out for a
that.
curry.
I didn't know that one.
Should go out for a Ruby Murray.
If I said to you, Alex is a sandwich short of a picnic, what do you think it means? What am I saying about Alex? He's a
I've heard
sandwich
that. Why
short
do
of
I
a
mean?
picnic.
Alex is the bubbly guy in a picnic.
No. You're a sandwich short of a picnic.
I don't know what that
Alex is
I know.
the.
Really?
I've heard of it, but I don't know what it means.
You know it.
It's really hard, guys.
So it means I'm not all there. I'm a bit,
You're nuts,
bit
you're
stupid,
crazy.
a bit crazy.
Crazy. Alex is crazy.
Oh my god, you're a sandwich short of a picnic.
Yeah. No, it's good. So many random words we've got.
Right, say
that
bye
mean
to the
nothing.
camera.
Hello,
Bye,
guys. That was good.